Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Storm on the way, winter storm, and here's the breakdown. Now, first of all, this is late tonight, after midnight through Friday, especially Friday morning. Northern areas in pink, it is a winter storm warning, just for the simple fact that up in here there'll be a little more in the way of snow. To the south, in that light blue, this is a winter weather advisory. You'll still get some accumulating snow here, but not as much as northern suburbs. So with that said, we'll take a look at the breakdown here. This kicks in just after midnight, and it looks as though the heaviest of the snow is going to be a window from about 4 until 8 o'clock in the morning. Now, it'll still snow beyond that, but I think the core of the real heavy snow is during that window right in here. This is not a snowstorm, but kind of a mixed bag storm. It's a variety of precipitation. It does start as snow, but it goes over to sleet, and then eventually to an icy rain. And based on that, it certainly makes the accumulation forecast more difficult when you have a variety of precipitation types. But bottom line, regardless, all three of these, snow, sleet, and an icy rain, will lead to this: a poor Friday morning commute, very slow. Precipitation does become lighter during the afternoon on Friday. It'll wind down Friday evening, Friday night. And it will turn colder later Friday afternoon, so any sleet or icy rain should go back over to at least some light snow showers towards the afternoon. Now, we're taping this as of about 3:30 in the afternoon. We were 70 yesterday. Look at these temperatures, in some cases 30 to 40 degrees colder right now. System that we're tracking is out across the Midwest and the Central Plains. You do see some moisture across the Mid-Atlantic. This is all tracking north and east and arriving here during the late night hours. And you can see, initially we are cold enough to support frozen precipitation, but for a time, a transition, especially towards the coastline and south of Providence, a transition for a little bit over to some rain. So let's break this down. I mean, heading out this evening, it's fine. Snow starts around midnight, but it really starts to pick up in intensity 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Roads becoming slick during that time. As we take you into the morning hours, looking at the generally heavy snow early, 5, 6 a.m. And then as we get mid to late morning, we're transitioning over to some sleet and over to some rain. Looking at temperatures that'll be rising. And then during the afternoon hours, we are looking at primarily at some light rain and sleet. But then towards the end of the day, as it turns colder, we'll transition back over to snow, but it should be a lighter snow later in the afternoon and towards the evening hours. And with the rapid drop in temperature, do expect some icy conditions as well. So as far as snowfall accumulations, what we're going to do here is getting more detail right along the immediate shoreline, about 1 to 2 inches of snow with a quicker change over to rain here, just not too far inland. This light blue zone right in here, 2 to 4 inches of wet snow and then sleet on top of that and some rain. And then where the transition over to sleet and rain takes a little bit longer, the cold air holds on longer in the northern suburbs, generally 4 to 6 inches of snow. This would be essentially Providence, Taunton, points north and west, 4 to 6. If you have travel plans up towards the Mass Pike in central Mass, 8 to 10 inches of snow there. So certainly high impact in terms of travel overnight and into the Friday morning commute. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.